Hey guys, and welcome back to the final episode in my kitchen spring clean series. Today, you might have guessed, it's all about the washing machine in this quick and easy clean with me. Now, I followed a Clean My Space video on how to clean your washing machine efficiently, which I will have linked down below the video. But first, I made this scrub with bicarb and a little water, and I'm using this to scrub the whole of the rim and the drum. And I did want to share with you guys a simple tip that helps keep my washing machine much cleaner these days is not using powder detergent. I just used to find this would weld to the drawer where you put the powder in over time, and it made it harder to get off in the long run. So we now use these small subscription wash pods that are amazing as they are eco-friendly, cruelty-free, and they use way less chemicals compared to other brands. So they're an all-round win for me, and I will have their website linked down below if you want to know more. This is totally not sponsored. I just really love these capsules. I've been using them for the past couple of months and I'm thoroughly impressed with them. After I had finished cleaning, I just put some white vinegar where you put your fabric softener in the tray, and then I put in all of my cleaning cloths that I'd use throughout the week, as well as the towel in the drum. A cap full of soda crystals also went in, and then I set the washing machine on the hottest setting, which is 90, to give it one last thorough deep clean. And then finally, I just finished off by carefully wiping down the outside of the machine as well as the cupboard doors. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this week's spring cleaning motivation. Give this video a big thumbs up if you did, and I'll also have the whole series linked down below if you want to do a whole spring cleaning marathon. I will look forward to seeing you next week for a new video, and have a great weekend, and I will see you then. Take care, guys.